Flooding in the city of Meridian, Lauderdale County, Mississippi, USA occurred on April 29, 2026, amid an active severe weather system affecting the southeastern United States, including nearby areas of Alabama and Georgia. Low-lying areas and small streams, including Soashi Creek and Okatebe Creek, were especially affected. Rapid runoff caused these waterways to overflow, leading to flooding in residential neighborhoods and commercial districts. Major street networks, intersections, parking areas, and key roads connecting Meridian with nearby communities such as Meridian and Clarksdale were heavily impacted, with significant water accumulation disrupting transportation and mobility. In the most affected residential zones, floodwaters entered homes, damaging furniture, appliances, and interior structures. Several businesses were forced to temporarily shut down due to water intrusion and property damage. Emergency services across Lauderdale County and Meridian are operating in full response mode, conducting water pumping operations, clearing drainage systems, and responding to numerous emergency calls. Local authorities have declared a state of emergency to accelerate damage assessment and coordinate recovery efforts. If you want more real-time updates on global weather disasters, support the video with a like, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments which city you are watching from.